It's the weekend and I am the AfroGirl. We're live right here with Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and around the world. Now let's jump right in. Nana Kwame Bediako, also known as Cheddar, has acquired a $7 million mansion in the prestigious Bel Air neighborhood of Los Angeles. In a now viral video, Cheddar spoke about how he was inspired by the timeless grandeur of Versace himself when he was designing the interior of the house. He shared that he invested over $2 million to adorn the interior with the most exquisite and lavish items money can buy. Now we have the video where he spoke about this, so let's check it out. $80,000, and oh my God, it would be say make enough money so you can tell people money is not everything. And I agree. Hey, people have money, and when you really deep it, it's really not fair. The world is really not fair because someone is just looking for money to pay fees or something little, and then there's someone else who is also buying extravagant properties. But again, I think he is a good businessman because he's clearly into real estate, and the possibility that he will sell this house at a higher cost is really high. So yeah, big ups to him. He's making more money as we look at him. But moving on, Afrobeat star Rema abandoned his scheduled performance in Atlanta, Georgia yesterday, citing poor conditions at the venue. In a video, the singer, who is presently on his Raves and Roses North American tour, was heard saying that the show will not go on because of safety issues and disrespect for the audience and Afrobeats. And we have the video when he was addressing this, so let's check it out.
Afrobeat is way too big to move like this. You feel me? I don't take no rubbish. I respect my fans. I will not move it like this, alright? I'm gonna reschedule this show. They have disrespected me and disrespected Afrobeat by treating you guys like this. I'm out. I love you.
Well, apart from this, we also have a statement he put out on his Instagram story, so let's read that out. And he says, "Atlanta, I love you guys too much to not give you a proper show for the hard-earned money you paid to see me. I take my fans and artistry serious. If you can't hear me sing and you're fanning yourselves due to improper ventilation, then you're not getting your money's worth. Plus, I was there on time but couldn't get on stage due to technical issues and gadgets overheating. I care about you guys. I'm not greedy to take your money and give you a show. Y'all deserve better. I'll keep y'all posted on a new date or refund. My deepest apologies." And I think that is that. And I really hope that they are able to, you know, refund the people if it comes to that, because if it was here in Ghana, I know that some people do not refund them, and they will say that they will refund, but they will not refund. And yes, I'm pained because I'm referring to that Whiskey showed in December that they claim that they will refund our monies. We are still waiting. Moving on, the team of the late reggae artist Bob Marley have announced the names of the major artists featured in his upcoming album, Africa Unite. This album will have some of Bob Marley's classics reimagined by some of Africa's biggest names in music. In doing this artist reveal, some models were wearing jerseys with the names of the artists written at the back. Representing Ghana, we have our very own Stonebwoy and Sarkodie, who were featured on the album. Other artists include Tiwa Savage, Oxlade, Tenny, Ira Star, and Pato Ranking, among others, and congratulations to all of them. I think that is the song that came out quite recently, and you know, people had mixed opinions and mixed reviews about Sarkodie and Bob Marley, but I can't wait to actually hear Stonebwoy's own, because you know Stonebwoy is a big reggae dance hall. You know, that's what he does, that's where he shines best, and so I can't wait to hear him on a Bob Marley record. That would be huge. But guys, that's about it for Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do. Everything lifestyle and entertainment, we've got you here at MX24. So follow us on all our social media platforms at MX24GH. I'm out.